Just a quick little update on Claude Code from Boris, where now if you do the planning mode, which everyone loves, I think the planning mode's amazing, but it will like clear your context now to run the plan, which is cool. So essentially like you have all your chat context while you're doing the planning, but then once it comes up with the document, it's just going to clear the context and run that document only. Kind of speaks to like what people are saying where they're trying to reduce static context as much as possible. I guess a chat history isn't necessarily static context, but they want to have as minimal input tokens as possible so that the model itself can figure out which tools it needs to call or where it needs to get context from, and then just kind of let it operate and come back to you with a completed solution. There is also another piece too where it's like people are really starting to understand the refinement of the tickets happens in the planning mode, right? So it's very conversational, but then you come out with this artifact, which is like a design document. You know, the super experienced engineers were doing this the whole time, but it's like about accessibility and how now all of us can do really nice design documents without having to spend like 3 hours on it. And then the sandboxed code itself, the code review and the deliverable is all kind of a later step, you know? It's not really engineering work, it's almost product work in a way.